Welcome to Sibiu, one of Transylvania's most captivating cities. From above, the medieval streets, colourful rooftops and fortified walls reveal a city steeped in history. Once a thriving Saxon settlement, Sibiu has preserved its charm for centuries while embracing a vibrant modern culture. This is a city where Gothic, Baroque and Renaissance architecture meet lively squares, bustling markets and scenic streets, a perfect blend of past and present. Sibiu's large square, the heart of the city. Surrounded by historic buildings, cafes and shops, this open space has been the centre of civic life for centuries. It's where locals gather, festivals take place, and the city's energy is most alive. Overlooking the square is the elegant Sibiu City Hall and the Jesuit Church. The City Hall's tall tower serves as a reminder of the city's medieval governance, while the Jesuit Church adds a touch of Baroque beauty, blending history and architecture seamlessly. Walking through the city centre, the streets come alive with locals and visitors, creating a vibrant atmosphere. Cafes, shops, and historic facades invite exploration, while the pedestrian lanes showcase the rhythm of daily life in Sibiu. Sibiu's charm is also in the details. Colourful houses with flower pots hanging from the windows, narrow streets, and ornate doorways create a picturesque and welcoming cityscape. The Jesuit Church Clock Tower stands as one of Sibiu's most striking landmarks. Its elegant Baroque details and towering spire dominate the skyline, offering a glimpse of the city's historic heart and architectural heritage. Rising above the city is the iconic Council Tower. Once part of the medieval fortifications, it now offers panoramic views over the old town and beyond, revealing the rooftops, towers, and historic squares that make Sibiu so unique. A short walk from the large square brings us to the small square, or Piața Mare, a charming and intimate space tucked into the heart of Sibiu's old town. Surrounded by colourful historic houses, artisan shops and cosy cafes, the square has a warm, inviting atmosphere. Its narrow streets and quiet corners contrast with the bustle of the larger squares, giving visitors a more personal glimpse into daily life here. One of Sibiu's most famous landmarks, the Bridge of Lies, arches gracefully over the street below. Legend says it is haunted by the spirits of dishonesty, making it a favourite spot for photos and stories alike. The Lutheran Cathedral of St. Mary rises majestically above Sibiu, its tall Gothic spire dominating the skyline and drawing the eye from every corner of the old town. Built in the 14th century, the cathedral stands as a testament to the city's Saxon heritage and has been a spiritual and cultural centre for centuries. Its stone facade is adorned with intricate carvings, pointed arches, and detailed tracery, while the large, ornate windows hint at the grandeur within. From the surrounding streets, the cathedral impresses not only with its size, but also with the elegance and precision of its medieval craftsmanship, making it one of Sibiu's most iconic landmarks. Inside, the Lutheran Cathedral of St. Mary reveals a Gothic interior with vaulted ceilings and an intricately decorated altar, while sunlight through stained glass highlights centuries of craftsmanship. The cathedral's historic pipe organ, with its ornate wooden case and polished pipes, has filled the hall with deep, resonant tones for centuries. The cathedral's exterior features a tall Gothic spire, solid stone walls, and narrow arched windows, reflecting medieval Saxon architecture where height and visibility symbolized faith and authority. Not far from the city centre, the Holy Trinity Orthodox Cathedral rises majestically, a testament to Sibiu's diverse religious heritage. Its elegant domes and ornate facades showcase the grandeur of 20th century Romanian Orthodox architecture, making it one of the city's most impressive landmarks. Inside, the Holy Trinity Orthodox Cathedral reveals a richly decorated and awe-inspiring interior. Gilded icons line the walls, intricate murals depict centuries of faith, and elaborate chandeliers hang from the vaulted ceilings, casting a warm glow throughout the space. Every corner reflects meticulous craftsmanship, from carved wooden details to painted frescoes, creating an atmosphere that is both majestic and serene. From bustling squares to historic churches and colourful streets, Sibiu is a city that captivates at every turn. Its rich history, vibrant culture, and timeless beauty make it one of Romania's most enchanting destinations.